Most people around the globe still don't fully understand how helpful humanoid robots could be, but their future is becoming clearer every day. At Tesla, the Optimus robot has gone beyond being just a cool gadget. It might sound unbelievable, but this robot is going to change our everyday lives in a big way, not only in America, but all over the planet. Sounds unbelievable, or maybe even silly. That's understandable. We used to think that too. But after closely following the progress of the Tesla bot for more than a year, and seeing all the latest updates, we now strongly believe that Optimus is going to shake things up. The advantages it brings are going to be so huge that people will rush to get one, even if the final cost is higher than the $20,000 that Elon Musk first mentioned. I believe Optimus will be incredible in around 5 or 10 years. It'll be mind-blowing. I'm really curious to see how it evolves, and I hope you are too. In just a few years, you might spot a Tesla bot anywhere inside Tesla factories, on city streets, in public parks, local shops, shopping malls, clinics, or even hanging out at your neighbor's home. That's exactly what Elon Musk is working toward, and why he's confidently investing billions into the robot. He understands that Optimus could be the shortcut to making Tesla worth $25 trillion one day. Recently, Musk teased more developments on X, saying, "So many improvements to come in the next design of Optimus," basically confirming that Gen 3 is almost here. From what we've gathered, Gen 3 will be a big step forward from Gen 2, packed with crazy new features as Tesla's final commercial version. So, what can we expect inside the upcoming Optimus version? Tesla has come a very long way since the project first began in August 2021. Back then, they revealed a dancer in a robot outfit. That was the beginning, and just look at how far it's come. If you compare that early prototype shown in September 2022 to what the company has now in just under 3 years, it's seriously impressive. Since then, Tesla has occasionally released video updates showing Optimus's progress, and it has continued to amaze people. When Gen 2 of Optimus came out at the end of 2023, it marked a huge shift. That version proved Tesla, Elon Musk, and even buyers were now taking the robot seriously. Gen 2 wasn't just better looking and less awkward, it had several new upgrades that caught everyone's attention. Before we dive into what Gen 3 will bring later this year, let's go over what changed with Gen 2. First, Optimus Gen 2 moves about 30% faster due to better weight distribution, shedding around 22 pounds, which makes it more nimble and energy-saving. Its feet, made to act like human feet, are equipped with force-torque sensors that improve balance and help it move smoothly across rough or uneven ground. One of the most impressive features is the new hands. They've gone from 5 degrees of freedom to 11, with sensors on each finger, allowing it to do precise tasks like picking up an egg without cracking it, folding laundry, or sorting blocks by color. Even the neck got better now with 2 degrees of freedom. It can move its head like a person and better look around its surroundings. On the hardware side, Tesla added custom-built actuators and sensors with improved electronics to make movements more accurate and consistent. The robot now moves in a much smoother, more natural way, nothing like the stiff, jerky Gen 1 version. In terms of intelligence, Gen 2 uses neural networks and 2D cameras to find its way around indoors without GPS. It can recover from slips and complete basic tasks like helping with assembly in Tesla plants or serving drinks, although some actions still need a remote operator. Making a humanoid robot is 5 or 6 times harder than building an electric vehicle, especially considering Tesla only started this project less than 2 years ago. The challenge is about 30% physical production and 70% focused on AI and software integration. Speaking of manufacturing, The Optimus isn't too different from the Tesla semi-truck. About 60% to 70% is still assembled by hand by a team of engineers. Instead of being mass-produced like Tesla cars, now let's talk about what Gen 3 will offer. At first, many thought it would launch late last year after Musk posted on X in July that the new Optimus design, which will be complete later this year, is something special. That got everyone excited for a big reveal by the end of the year, but it didn't happen. Musk later said in November that the hardest part was making the design easier to manufacture and getting all the parts in place so they could build many units. This means the Gen 3 version is being redesigned to balance looks, cost, and mass production. Don't expect it to look cheaper. Think of it like a Tesla EV refresh. It'll be smarter, more attractive to buyers, and less expensive to make setting it up for huge success. One big improvement only found in Gen 3 is the new hand design with 22 degrees of freedom, double the 11 from Gen 2. To create a robot that can do tasks like a human, you need advanced hands. That's why Tesla made this jump. We've seen the company show off the new hand multiple times, and it's more than just impressive. It's waterproof, has extra sensors, and now hides the actuator and wires inside instead of leaving them out in the open, like in Gen 2. Musk has made it clear he sees the hand as the part that separates Tesla bots from every other humanoid robot out there. The aim is for Optimus to be the most advanced humanoid robot ever built, able to perform hundreds or even thousands of tasks. Our hands have 27 degrees of freedom, letting us do everything from writing to cooking to expressing ourselves. So, making a robot hand that comes close to that has always been a dream in robotics. Tesla has now gone from 11 degrees of freedom to 22, only 5 less than a real human hand. With the 11-degree hand, Optimus can already do things like fold laundry, water plants, carry fragile items, install electronics, and even hand out drinks. So imagine what it can do with the 22-degree hand. Another expected upgrade in Gen 3 is better movement speed. If you look at robots from companies like Boston Dynamics, Unitree, or Kepler, they all have a bent knee walk like Optimus. That design helps lower their center of gravity for better balance. Still, many people have poked fun at how Optimus walks, often comparing it to Joe Biden's stride. So Tesla wants to make the walk smoother and more human-like. Elon Musk once said they're making one big hardware update that should be ready by the end of this year or early next. Right now, Optimus moves at about 1 meter per second. That's around 2.2 miles per hour. Tesla wants to reach 5 miles per hour, but they're not there yet. Still, Gen 3 should definitely be quicker than Gen 2. Slow movement might be okay for factories, but regular users want robots that can walk smoothly and naturally. It's not just about speed, it's about how all the parts work together. The joints, motors, sensors, and battery. Everything must run in perfect sync for the robot to be truly useful. With Gen 3, we expect Optimus will beat humans in some areas. It can work 24/7 without stopping, avoid human mistakes, perform tasks with extreme precision, reduce injuries. By doing risky jobs and adapt to different roles thanks to AI and learning technology. Elon Musk has said multiple times that Optimus can learn by watching videos like YouTube tutorials. Just like a person can learn by watching a how-to video, so can Optimus. That means it could pick up new skills fast and share that knowledge with other Tesla bots. If one robot learns how to cook, that knowledge can instantly be shared with hundreds of other robots. That's how Tesla will expand what Optimus can do without training each one separately. It's clear that Tesla wants its robots to be used in real businesses where they can offer serious cost savings. So how does Optimus help save money? Imagine you had $25,000 to $50,000 Would you rather buy a Tesla car or a Tesla bot? We would probably pick the robot, even when looking at cool models like the Model 3, Model Y, or Tesla's future affordable car. Why? Because Optimus can actually work and help earn money. Most cars are used only a few hours a day and parked the rest of the time. But Optimus can work 8 hours or more every day. It could deliver packages, make products, or do other jobs that make money. The profit from one robot could help buy more robots, creating a cycle where each robot eventually pays for itself. Later, the extra income might even go toward buying a Tesla car. According to our research, the savings from using an Optimus robot could reach up to $83,000 every year, with a break-even point after about 3.7 years. That's a smart investment for big families, businesses, or factories. The best part? Optimus can work around 7,000 hours a year, much more than any human employee. If you can't afford to buy one, maybe you can rent. Elon Musk has said the bots will be available for both sale and rental, starting with leasing. We think leasing makes a lot of sense. It lowers the cost for both Tesla and the customer. It also allows Tesla to fix problems quickly. Leasing will start with Tesla workers in 2026, then slowly expand to more users. This will help Tesla learn how the robots perform in the real world and improve them even more. Elon Musk has also said that AI is more dangerous than nuclear bombs, so Tesla is being careful. They don't want a real-life Terminator or iRobot situation. But the truth is, 70% of the challenge with Optimus is its complicated AI system. Bugs and glitches can still happen. Even Musk admitted that early versions of Optimus might have a few small issues, saying that it'll still be very cool and something you'll want to show off to friends.